So the UK Supreme Court has just passed a ruling around the definition of the term woman and sex, referring to the biological sex assigned at birth. So this is a landmark ruling in terms of basically how trans women are defined. So previously there was this area around the interpretation of it, but now they've issued this landmark ruling saying that they can't be legally recognized as a woman. So this does have a lot of implications in terms of their sex-based rights and protections under this law. So what does this mean? So if you are in a single sex space, you can't go to a woman assigned kind of area, such as a women's refuge, hospital wards, or even sports clubs. And because of this, uh, people or organizations are able to turn them away and legally without having any repercussions because they're no longer classed as women. So this does obviously take away a lot of the rights that trans women had before, in terms of freedom to join organizations and movements and sports and stuff like that. And there was a lot of like kind of issues around this. But however, this is only for the UK, but other countries may follow suit as well in terms of the definition. So obviously, supporters for women's rights are obviously happy that this sex-based rulings protects the rights of um, people born as women from birth. But critics are also saying that trans women are now left in limbo where they don't see themselves as men and they can't see themselves as women and they don't have any rights and protections, and they are more subject to kind of harassment and discrimination without any kind of protection. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below.